Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Street Series video. It's the official first video of 2020. Check it out. I'm wearing a Legends Media t-shirt from Dustin Williams. Go check him out if you don't know who he is already. But yeah, we're gonna do the IS350, IS350 Duckbill on my girl's car. So yeah, I'll walk you guys through. I already have an install video if you guys want to go check that out. So today we're just going to be putting it on. I'm not going to do any instructions. So yeah, install video I'll link down below. Alright guys, so I already started. We're going to take out all these clips. We don't have the tool, the little clip tool, so I'm going to be using these. I'm going to use some scissors. You just like put it in between and you just pry it off. But yeah, we gotta take those off to take the factory wing off. We didn't have to do this with Jesus' car because his didn't have it. Alright guys, so we got all the trunk liner off. She's moving the car because I'm in sandals, Jesus is in sandals. She's wearing boots, but look at this. They just keep crawling all over us. I'm not trying to get bit right now. Look at all these ants. So my TL battery is dead, so I'm letting that charge. But yeah, we moved the car, so now we're gonna finish over here. Try and get all the ants out. Let me see your shirt. Sick. Alright, so this is how the trunk looks right now. If you guys have the factory wing on it, you're gonna have to do this. You just take off this lining. It's about, let me see, 3, 4. It's like 12 clips you gotta take out. And then, yeah, and then the screws they're in here. I got that one out right there. Let's see if you can see it. That one right there. There's that one. There's one more right here. You probably can't see it. And there's that one right there. So yeah, we gotta do all that. Just take this little thing off so we can put the big duckbill on there. Alright guys, so in order to get into those little spots, you're gonna need a ratchet. And you're gonna need to put an extension on it. And then it takes a 10. So make sure you have a 10 mil, an extension, and a ratchet. Because that's the only way you're gonna reach in there. But yeah, we got all the screws off. I'm gonna pull this thing off. It also has double-sided tape, so make sure. We already loosened the double-sided tape with the floss last time. We just couldn't get it off because it had the bolts. It had one here, and one here. So we're about to pull it off right now. Alright guys, so Jesus and Janet went to go try and find some strings so we can pull this off. They've been gone for like a few minutes, so I just jammed the credit card in there. And what do you know, it actually worked. Don't worry, this is, you can't even use this anywhere. It's just it was a gift card. It's already all used up. So if you want to steal it, go ahead. But there's no money on there. Alright guys, so here's a little before. I'll show you guys the after right now. But this is how it looks without the duckbill. I just gotta finish cleaning it up. Yeah, here, let's see it from over here. I'll show you guys the same angles with the after. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and hit like down below. And here's the after. guys, that's gonna do it for the Lexus. Here. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like down below. Oh, the badge. We're about to actually go to AutoZone right now, and I'm gonna get the double-sided tape so I can put the badge here. That's where it goes. But yeah, we're gonna head to AutoZone. Jesus is gonna take his Lexus to wash it, so I'm gonna ride shotgun in his car, and we'll get some rollers of Janet's car. Leave a like down below if you guys think it looks good. And like I said earlier, if you haven't already, I have an install video that I did earlier last year, 2019, since today is officially day 1 of 2020. So yeah guys, just head over to that video. I'll leave it linked down in the description if you guys need help with the install. Today was just kind of like a throw it on, not really record an install since I already did a video on that. So yeah, if you want to go check that out, link in my description. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And thank you all for helping me hit 400 subscribers. The goal was 300 by the end of 2019, and we surpassed that by 100. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Keep showing love and stay tuned. The channel's only gonna get much better, much bigger, and some merch is actually on the way. I'll show you guys that soon. And then my TL, as of right now, is down. It's having some electrical issues, but hopefully we can resolve that pretty soon. And if not, I mean, I hope so, but if not, I have big plans for a different car, a new car. Just know it's something new, straight from the dealership. I don't know if I'm gonna get it yet. I really want to fix my TL first. So yeah, stay tuned. 2020, I'll surprise you guys with something dope. But yeah, hopefully this thing is back up and running, and we can throw on the A-Spec kit that I have for it, and a bunch of other stuff. But yeah guys, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so here's the IS350, and then Jesus' IS250. I still got to put the emblem on. We're about to head to AutoZone and buy the double-sided tape. And then look at that Street Series license plate frame.